All right, today we're gonna bring 4 legs for your workbench. All right, so we're gonna build it. We're gonna build heavy duty wood in the bottom and lighter wood on the top. It comes with the screws, the 4 legs, and the bottom legs have rubbers, if you guys can see it right here. And Toby is gonna be ready to hammer and drill the whole thing together. So Toby, are you gonna help us today? He said yes. Let's put it together. All right, so here we have the first part. I set up all the legs, if you guys can see. Perfect. So we're gonna try to set up 2 layers. All right, I'm gonna try to set up 2 layers. The third one I'm gonna leave it open, but I'm gonna set up 2 layers. I might switch these out for smaller pieces of wood, but I want it strong because I don't want it to move too much. I'm actually gonna put in some 3D printers in here and maybe add some wheels down the line. But look at this, very decent. Now we're gonna put the top, very sturdy work table. I'm gonna keep it outdoors. I'm gonna paint this so it could stay one color and it won't get the water damage. But what you can do, you can buy these wooden ready treated for outdoors. It's your call. So what I did, these are 47s long, these are 22.5 because I got to make sure they meet the right requirements, and I do have one piece of wood that's gonna completely seal the whole thing. So I'm gonna measure it and cut the whole wood. So let's put it together. All right, finally finished it, guys. It took me a while. I had to cut in half, and I'm gonna still nail it down, but I'm gonna actually leave a gap on the top so I can put the cables over or drill some holes, because I want to put my 3D printers on top of this. Very sturdy. I'm still gonna actually drill this so it could grab onto the top wood. I like that they give you the extra, and it's flush. I did it flush, so it's perfect. You guys can see how it came out. It came out really handy, strong. Put all my tools in here, and I have room for cross beams if I get heavier stuff. So very simple to put together. Took me about maybe an hour, 2 hours to drill the table bottom legs, and then the cutting was it took me a long time, so it took me another 3 hours. 3 hours to put together because I had to cut the stuff. So take measurements, cut your stuff how you want it. It's flush. I'm still gonna cut the wood in the bottom and drill it more. I'm gonna add another layer maybe down the line, 3rd layer, but it's too thin in there. I might have to change these out. But look, this is sturdy. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's super strong. I like it. I like this part right here. Make it flush. Very sturdy. I'm gonna paint it, match the legs, maybe black. It's gonna be my / work table / cutting table and all sorts of things. So hope you guys enjoy the video.